When you're deciding between Monday.com versus Asana, you're looking at two of the most popular project management tools, and it's not always clear which one is better for your needs. Both have strong reputations, but today we'll dive into the specifics of both and help you determine which tool stands out. Keep watching, because by the end, I'll share an alternative that I think may be a game changer, and you don't want to miss it. First off, Monday.com. Monday.com stands out because of its highly visual and flexible interface. It gives you the freedom to customize almost every aspect of your workflow, whether you're managing tasks, projects, or resources. It offers multiple views like Kanban, Gantt charts, and calendar views, which is great for teams who need flexibility in how they organize their projects. But that flexibility can come at a cost. While the customization is powerful, it can also be overwhelming for new users. Setting up boards and automations can require a learning curve, and some users report that it takes time to really get the most out of it. Next thing, Asana. Asana's strength lies in its simplicity and intuitive interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for teams to jump in and get started without much training. It's also great for teams that prioritize task management. With its task lists, project timelines, and workload views, Asana can help keep everyone on track without a complicated setup. However, Asana does have its limitations. For example, its reporting features are not as robust as Monday.com's, and the customizability options are not as extensive. If your team requires highly detailed tracking or wants a more personalized setup, Asana may fall short. The third thing to consider is pricing. Monday.com is known to be on the more expensive side, especially for larger teams. It offers tiered pricing, but the features you get at lower levels are relatively basic, meaning that to unlock its full potential, you'll need to invest more. Asana, on the other hand, has a more competitive free tier, with a paid version that's priced more reasonably for small to medium teams. However, once you scale up, it can still get pricey, and if you want advanced features like custom fields or reporting, you'll need to upgrade. The fourth thing is integrations. Both Monday.com and Asana offer plenty of integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox. However, Monday.com has a slight edge in this department, providing integrations with more third-party tools and offering a more seamless experience with tools like Zoom, Outlook, and Microsoft Teams. That said, Asana's integrations are still solid, and it's more than enough for most teams. Next thing, let's talk about automation. Monday.com has powerful automation tools that help streamline your workflows. You can set triggers and actions that automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. Asana, while it does offer some automation, is not as advanced in this area. If automation is a top priority for you, Monday.com might be the better choice. Now, let's get into collaboration. Both Monday.com and Asana allow teams to collaborate on tasks and projects, but Monday.com shines when it comes to visual collaboration. The interface allows for easy collaboration with team members, and it's super easy to see where a task stands in the process. On the other hand, Asana provides strong collaboration in terms of task comments and notifications, but it lacks the same visual flair as Monday.com, which might be a deal breaker if your team thrives on visual cues. So, Monday.com versus Asana, which one is better? Both tools have their strengths and weaknesses. Monday. Calm is ideal for teams that need flexibility and power, while Asana is better suited for smaller teams or those that value simplicity and ease of use. But after trying both of these tools myself, if you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, ease of use, flexibility, and scalability, I recommend checking out a better alternative. If you want to explore this alternative and experience all the benefits for yourself, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By using this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, after trying all these options, you'll want to give it a shot.